Hey guys, do you want to get paid money by watching adverts, playing games, and taking surveys? Then this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about this website where you can get paid to watch adverts, to play games, do surveys, and so many other things like completing offers. So if that's what you are looking for, on this YouTube channel, I talk about different ways on how to earn money online. My name is Gloria, and I would like to welcome you to this YouTube channel. Yes, I talk about different ways that I have tried and have really worked for me. Please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content. Yes, and don't forget to write where you're watching from in the comment section below. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the website I was telling you about. It's called Timebucks. Yes, it's called Timebucks, and you get paid for doing different tasks. You get paid for posting on Facebook, viewing funny slides, playing games, installing apps, completing micro tasks, and answering surveys. So it depends on you which one you want. Yes, it depends on you which one you want. Yes, it depends on you which one you want. What do you want to do? So if you want to sign up, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Yes, but as you see, I already have an account, so I'm going to sign into my account. Yes, I'm going to sign in my account. Yes, I'm going to log in, and as you can see, this is the website. This is Timebucks inside. Yes, so if you want to earn, you come on this button which says earn. Yes, you come, you click there on earn, and you get to see what's there that you can do. You can do surveys. As you can see, this is surveys. You can take tasks, do content, offer wars, and referring others. As I told you, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can join through my link and start earning right away, and you also get a bonus when you use my link. So if you want to do surveys, you can click here. There is a list of surveys, so it depends on you. Just choose which survey you want to do, and you will do that one. So these are the list of surveys that you can do. There are so many surveys that some of them even pay up to $1. So it depends on you. If you want to do survey, you go there. If you want to do content, you come here. They have adverts that you can watch and you get paid. Like this advert, when you watch it, you just come here, view, and you get paid. Yes, these are all the adverts that you can watch right now, and you can do it continuously daily, and they always put adverts in a day. They can put more and more. You can watch like 3 times multiple adverts, and you get paid. Another way that you can earn from this website is by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you watch a YouTube video and you get paid. You just come here and you click on start earning, then you get paid for watching those YouTube videos. Then another way you can get paid from this website is by doing tasks. There are tasks also they will give you, like installing apps, watching also YouTube videos, but right now they are in maintenance, and they will be back today as I'm recording this video. Another way you can earn from this website is by referring others. Yes, by referring others. As I told you, I'm leaving a link in the description below, so please join through my link. I earn, you also earn. Yes, so if you want also to play games, you can play games either using your Android phone, iPhone, or iPad. Yes, it depends. For example, if you come here and you want to play games, so these are the many games as much as there that you can play. So if you say you want to play this game which is called Smash Party Hero, you come click on it and you have to read what they talk about the game. Please don't just go and just play the game without knowing the requirements, because you will not earn. So as they are telling you, complete world 1 to 10, then you earn this much. You complete world 2 to 10, you earn this much. Yes, so the games, they have instruction that you're supposed to do. If you've played this game before, you can't play it again. You're supposed to be a new user. They have like different rules. Yes, each game has its own different rules. And on these time bucks, they pay weekly, and they have very many different payment options. You can cash out via PayPal. They also added a new payment system, that's AirTM. And I also did a video about AirTM. You can go and watch that video. Yes, it's a good video, and it's a good video. You can go watch that. You can get paid via Bitcoin. So very many different ways of earning. As you can see, these people have earned. Yes, and they'll be showing you people who have earned so far, so that they encourage you, they boost you, so that you can work harder. Yes, so that you can work hard. And they have a good support system, that you can get in touch with them anytime you want, any day. So this is time bucks for you. And if that's what you really want to do, please don't forget to use the link in my description below. And if you've worked on time bucks and it really paid you, please don't forget to comment it, so that we can encourage others that this website really works and it's real. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. That's what I had for you.